In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to autoplay a Vimeo video. Whether you're setting up a tutorial, a portfolio showcase, or any other type of content on your website, knowing how to autoplay your Vimeo videos can enhance user engagement and create a smoother viewing experience. Let's dive in, and then first you'll need to head over to vimeo.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account, setting one up is simple, and there's both a free and a premium version depending on what features you need. Logging in will allow you to access the options to modify your video settings or embed the video elsewhere. Next, you'll want to obtain the embed code for the video you'd like to autoplay. Start by locating your video on Vimeo. Once you've found it, look for the share button, which is typically represented by a paper airplane icon or a similar symbol depending on Vimeo's current interface. Clicking on that will pop up a window that includes various options for sharing the video. In the sharing options, you'll see the embed code displayed on the screen. This is crucial because it's what you'll be placing in your website's HTML. Copy this embed code to your clipboard. Now, embedding it as is will allow you to place the video on your site, but not autoplay it. For that added functionality, we need to make a small modification. The key step involves making a simple edit to this code. First, locate the video URL in the embed code. It should look something like this: https://player.vimeo.com/video 123456789. This URL specifies the location of your Vimeo video. To enable autoplay, you'll need to append this URL with bot autoplay_1, resulting ideally in something like this: https://player.vimeo.com video 2345678.autoplay_1. This small addition triggers the autoplay feature, ensuring the video starts playing as soon as it's loaded on your page. Once you've modified the code, the final step is embedding the video in your website's HTML. Locate the section of your HTML where you want the video to appear. It might be within a div, a section, or any other container depending on how your site is structured. Paste the modified embed code right there. And that's it! You've now set up your Vimeo video to autoplay. Make sure to test it in a couple of different browsers to ensure compatibility and smooth performance. This feature can significantly improve user interaction with your content, as it immediately engages your audience from the moment they load the page. Good luck with your video projects, and thank you for tuning in today.